Join me as I dive into the wild world of DNN stocks and see if I can turn a small investment into a big win. Denison Mines, or DNN, is a uranium exploration and development company that's been making waves in the market lately. Its stock has been on a tear, leaving many investors wondering what's behind the sudden surge. As someone interested in the stock market, you might be curious about DNN's recent explosion and why it matters to you as an investor. Historically, DNN stock has faced some challenges that have impacted its performance. One major issue has been the fluctuating uranium market, which can be pretty volatile. This unpredictability has led to a perception that DNN stock is a high-risk investment. Additionally, the company has faced some difficulties in terms of production and exploration, which have also affected its stock price. The market's perception of DNN has been somewhat negative in the past, with some investors viewing it as a speculative play. This sentiment has been fueled by the company's history of losses and the challenges it has faced in the uranium market. However, some investors have seen DNN as an opportunity to get in on the ground floor of a potentially lucrative uranium play. Despite the challenges, DNN has maintained a loyal investor base. DNN stock has also been impacted by the overall market trend, with the energy sector experiencing a bit of a downturn in recent years. This has led to a decrease in investor interest and a subsequent decline in stock price. The company's financials have also been a concern, with DNN reporting losses in the past. However, the company has been working to improve its financials and increase investor confidence. The uranium market itself is a major factor in DNN's stock performance, and it's been experiencing some significant changes lately. The demand for uranium is expected to increase in the coming years, driven by the growing need for clean energy. This trend has led to an increase in investor interest in DNN and other uranium-related stocks. The recent surge in DNN stock price can be attributed to a combination of factors, including a significant increase in uranium prices and positive developments within the company. Specifically, DNN has made some major strides in its exploration and development projects, which has helped to boost investor confidence. The company has also benefited from a shift in market sentiment, with investors becoming more optimistic about the uranium market. Another factor contributing to DNN's stock explosion is the growing interest in clean energy and the role that uranium is expected to play in the transition to a low-carbon economy. As more investors begin to focus on sustainable energy solutions, DNN stock has become increasingly attractive. This increased interest has led to a surge in buying activity, driving up the stock price. The catalyst for DNN's stock explosion was a major announcement from the company regarding a significant new discovery at one of its exploration projects. This news sent shockwaves through the market, sparking a buying frenzy among investors. The discovery was seen as a major breakthrough for DNN, and it helped to shift market sentiment decisively in the company's favor. The news spread like wildfire, and DNN's stock price responded accordingly. Within days, the stock had surged to new highs, leaving many investors scrambling to get in on the action. The company's social media channels and investor forums were flooded with excitement and optimism. The event that triggered the stock explosion was widely covered in the financial media, which helped to amplify the news and attract even more investors to DNN stock. As the stock continued to rise, it gained even more attention from mainstream investors, further fueling the buying frenzy. In summary, DNN's stock explosion is a result of a combination of factors, including positive company developments, a shift in market sentiment, and growing interest in clean energy. The stock's recent surge has been impressive, but it's essential to keep in mind that investing in the stock market always involves risk. What do you think about DNN's stock performance? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in staying up to date on market trends and insights, be sure to check out my next video for more information.